Hey guys, Darren here. How about that? Got a little bit of a growth. What can we attribute that to? Good coffee. Where do I get good coffee from, you ask? I'm glad you asked. How about this, guys? Black Rifle Coffee Company. A buddy of mine, Kevin Ryder, sent me a care package. I told him I was out of my cheapo coffee, and he sent me a care package with a lot of different types of roast from Black Rifle Coffee Company. Now guys, you've all seen their videos, which are freaking sweet and awesome, and I may have to grovel and beg to see if they'll include me in a video one day someday. Freedom Roast, M.O. Murdered Out, Beyond Black. Oh, that's going to be good. I like dark burnt coffee, and of course I drink it black. And Freedom Fuel. How about that? We're going to have to try some of this coffee in just a minute. More to come, guys. Okay guys, now we're back and I want to show you. Holy cow, it's 4 12-ounce bags of ground coffee from Black Rifle Coffee Company. How about that? And comes with a freaking sweet sticker, subscription offers and codes to join the club. And how about that? We're going to go inside and we're going to try a cup of this coffee, and I bet it will be sublime. Now I do have to say and give props to who sent this to me, Kevin Ryder with the Wilderness Safety Institute. You can look him up on the YouTube there, and then on the interweb, because he's all over the place. I think he's on the Facebook too, and it's not Facebook, it's called the Facebook, so just bear that in mind and say it correctly. More to come. It's kind of a funny story. He was talking to me about coffee, and he says, what kind of coffee you do drink? I said, I drink kind of like whatever, and I'll buy bags of whatever's on sale. And he said, that's horrible. He said, do you drink coffee? I said, yes, of course I drink coffee. I drink 2 cups a day every morning. He said, no, do you drink coffee? And I said, well, if I had good coffee, I probably would drink a lot of good coffee. And he said, I'm going to send you this care package and try it, and you will be amazed. I am not an affiliate with Black Rifle Coffee Company, although I might try to pursue that. I do not get anything in return for this. We are going to go inside. We're going to try us a cup of Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee. More to come. Okay guys, she wanted to, she being the hooch, there you go, say hey hooch.
Hey hooch.
There you go. Wanted to try the medium roast, which would be equivalent to a girl drinking coffee. There you go. So we're going to try this, and I bet it's going to be fantastic though. It smells great. So, what was that?
I'm setting up the ring to alarm my phone.
More to come, guys. Our coffee maker is on its last legs. You'll have to excuse us. Yes, it pees funny. There we go. More to come. Okay guys, now we're back. I gotta say, damn good coffee. My wife picked the medium roast because she wanted to try some of it as well, because she drinks coffee as well. And that is the lightest roast that we picked. I drink dark black roasted coffee with chicory. That is my ideal coffee of choice, and that is you know the brand I'm talking about. I won't say, but it's a damn good cup of coffee. And this is medium roast. Haven't even tried the dark roast yet. So I have to say, if you like Louisiana dark roasted coffee and were of a community, how about I said that? Okay. You should try Black Rifle, because even the medium roast to me is a damn good cup of coffee. Okay guys, now we're back. Whew. And the telltale sign of a good cup of coffee makes your upper lip sweat. Goodness gracious. The medium roast is very good. It is not too strong. My wife likes it. That's kind of why I got that. I like blacker than dirt, and as black as hell are my favorite flavors. They don't have those flavors. That's just kind of like what I want. And that is usually what I get when I buy, like, and I was joking earlier, but like I always used like community coffee, which was half dark roast and half chicory dark roast, which is bitter, nasty, and makes a dead rise. So it's good stuff. Anyway guys, we're gonna wrap it up. Absolutely, highly, absolutely recommend Black Rifle Coffee Company. Good stuff. I'm gonna talk to them and see if I can get a link or something like that for us, because they are some pretty good shit. Anyway guys, in just a second you're gonna see a picture of my ugly mug pop over here, as well as my beautiful wife on the opposite side. Give me some videos if we are indeed your brand of wacky. Take care of you people.